The optical encoder index pulse timing calculator determines the timing characteristics of index pulses from rotary encoders based on your system parameters. Let's look at the two input fields. First, we have shaft speed in RPM, where you enter the rotational speed of your encoder shaft. Second, there's encoder resolution in PPR, which is your encoder's pulses per revolution. For this demonstration, I'll use a shaft speed of 1800 RPM and an encoder resolution of 360 pulses per revolution. After entering these values and clicking Calculate Index Pulse Timing, the calculator processes your inputs to provide timing information. The results show the time interval between index pulses, which tells you how frequently the encoder completes one full rotation. This timing data is critical for synchronization applications, position verification, and ensuring your control system can properly detect and process the index signal. The calculator also provides the frequency of index pulses, helping you determine if your controller or data acquisition system can handle the pulse rate at your operating speed. This tool simplifies encoder system design by eliminating manual calculations. Find the link in the description below.